Making good financial decisions when you're broke feels like choosing between gas or groceries. But here's the truth. Smart money moves don't need a big bank account. They need clarity. Let's talk about how to actually make better financial decisions right now. Think in priorities. Ask yourself this before spending $1. Is this a need, a want, or an emotional buy? Rent? Need. Groceries? Need. A $7 latte because life is hard? That's an emotion. When money's tight, survival comes first. Satisfaction can wait. Delay the swipe, new rule. If you see something you want, wait 24 hours. Impulse is expensive. Time gives clarity. Still want it tomorrow? Then you can think about it. Most of the time, the feeling fades, and the money stays. Know your numbers. You don't need a fancy budget. Just know what's coming in and where it's going out. Track your spending for 7 days. It will shock you. That's the moment you gain control. Better financial decisions aren't about being perfect. They're about being aware. So before your next dollar disappears, pause, think, prioritize. Like this if you've ever made a regret buy. Subscribe if you're done being broke on autopilot, because your money, it's not just currency, it's power. Use it wisely.